My name is Rishikesh Karanjikar, and I have been taking Dr. Preeti's treatment for more than 10 years. Not only me, but all my family takes her treatment. So it's been a long time that I have taken any allopathy medicines for my regular cough, cold, fever, chest congestion, and related problems. I always take Preeti's medicines, and we get better within a week or two. Same for my daughter and my wife as well. Uh, every year I also do a Birichan, which is one of the Panchakarmas at her clinic. Her clinic facilities are very good. Her staff is also very good and capable. So it's a really rejuvenating experience for me every year. And I thank Dr. Preeti for this wonderful treatment. And uh, Dr. Preeti is one of the best Ayurvedic practitioners you can find in Pune. And it is guaranteed that you will get the best and correct diagnosis at her clinic. And uh, I'm very satisfied with her treatment. There was once an incident where my daughter had a severe allergic cough due to pollens, and her IgG level went up to 300. So, so I took Dr. Preeti's treatment for her, and her allergies were gone within just 2 weeks of treatment. So, even for kids, she is very good. I have been taking her medicines for my daughter all the way along, and my daughter is fine. So I highly recommend Dr. Preeti, and I wish her all the best.